Welcome to our showroom. We're located in Ladner, BC, in the Ladner village. Within our showroom, we'll have products from flooring to other interior finishings. We've got cork, engineered and solid hardwoods over here. We've got some faucets, sinks, some more tiles. These are all of our tiles from our distributor Eurotile. We've got countertops over here. We've got custom nosings over here. See? We've got mirrors and we've got shower trims. Beautiful black pieces, beautiful gold pieces. And we've got hardware right here. This is our showroom, all of Ladner and all of Tsawwassen. You guys are welcome. Come on down, visit us.